Now, today in this class, we are going to study about logical equivalence. Let's look into the definition of logical equivalence. If two propositions, that is P and Q, where P, Q, R are propositional variables, have same truth values in every possible case, then we say that P and Q are logically equivalent, and it is written like this. So the symbol of logical equivalence is like this. Now let's look into the truth table of logical equivalence. For example, show that P implies Q is logical equivalent to negation P or Q. So what is the first thing that you have to do? You have to take the column of P, Q. Then as we are talking about negation P, negation P, negation P or Q, and then P implies Q. These are the columns that are required. So what is the values of P and Q will be? True, 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 false, false, true, and false, false. Negation P is not P. That is, true will become false and false will become true. Now we have to take negation P or Q. What is or? Or is disjunction. That is, if you have false, false, then it will be false. Otherwise, it is true. Now search where is false. Over here. False, false is false. The rest of the elements will be true. Now coming to implies. What is implies? Conditional. What is the value of conditional? If P is true and Q is false, then only it is false. Otherwise, it is true. Now search P implies Q. If P is true, Q is false, then only it is false. Otherwise, everything is true. So now from the table, this values and these values are same. So what is that we can conclude? We can conclude that P implies Q is logically equivalent to negation P or Q. Am I clear? Next, we have the definitions. That means you have different types of laws. You have different types of laws. That is logical law. So these are the different types of law. The first law that we have is commutative law. The first law is commutative law. And then you have associative law, distributive law, identity law, negation law, idempotent law, null laws, absorption laws, and then you have De Morgan's law, involution law. Make a note of all these laws because we'll be using these laws in the truth tables.